All right, let's kick this off with a dose of reality. A new year isn't just about resolutions that last for a few weeks. It's about setting a foundation for real, tangible change. And nothing screams, "New Year, New Me," louder than getting your finances in order. Money impacts every part of our lives, our stress, our freedom, and even our sleep. So let's dive into how to make this year the year your money starts working for you. First, start an emergency fund if you don't have one yet. Think of an emergency fund as the superhero of your finances. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, medical bills appear, and jobs aren't always guaranteed. An emergency fund is your buffer. It's not just money, it's peace of mind. If you're starting from zero, don't panic. Start small. Even putting away $10 or $20 a week adds up. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. And keep it somewhere accessible, but not too accessible, like a high-yield savings account. The goal is to make sure that when life throws you a curveball, you don't have to swipe your credit card or drain your savings to get through it. Pro tip: automate your savings. Set up a recurring transfer so you don't even have to think about it. Out of sight, out of mind, but still growing. 2. Pay off debt and stop letting it own you. Debt is like that annoying guest who overstays their welcome. And credit card debt? That's the worst offender. It eats away at your paycheck with high interest rates and leaves you feeling stuck. Start by listing all your debts: loans, credit cards, medical bills, all of it. Look at the interest rates and balances. Then choose a repayment strategy that works for you. The snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first for quick wins, or the avalanche method, tackling high-interest debt first, are both solid options. Debt doesn't define you, but how you handle it does. Paying it off is one of the most liberating things you can do for yourself this year. 3. Create a budget, your money roadmap. Budgets get a bad rap. People hear the word and think restrictions or no more fun. But a budget isn't about cutting out lattes or weekend plans. It's about knowing where your money is going. Start simple. Track your income and expenses. Write it down, use an app, or build a spreadsheet, whatever works for you. Then categorize: needs, rent, groceries, utilities; wants, eating out, streaming services; and savings. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Start with this rule or look for one that suits you personally. Here's the magic of budgeting. Once you know where your money goes, you can start telling it where to go instead. You'll feel in control, not overwhelmed. 4. Increase your retirement contributions. Future, you will thank you. Retirement may feel like a lifetime away, but time is your biggest ally. The earlier you start contributing or increasing your contributions, the less you'll need to save later. If you have a 401k, check if your employer matches contributions. That's free money. If you're not maxing out that match, it's like leaving cash on the table. For those without a 401k, consider an IRA, individual retirement account. Even bumping your contributions by 1% can make a massive difference over time. It's not about feeling the pinch now. It's about ensuring you don't feel the panic later. 5. Start investing. Let your money make money. Investing isn't just for Wall Street types or people with six-figure incomes. It's for you. And guess what? The earlier you start, the less you need to invest to see results. That's the power of compound interest. Start simple with index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are low-cost and diversified, making them great for beginners. Use platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or even apps like Robinhood or Acorns. And don't wait for the perfect time to invest. The market will go up and down, but the long-term trend is growth. Consistency beats timing every single time. 6. Maximize your spending. Yes, really. This isn't about spending more, it's about spending better. Look at your expenses and ask, what's actually adding value to my life? Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Negotiate bills like your phone or internet plan. And don't be afraid to shop around for better deals on insurance or utilities. Redirect that found money toward your goals, savings, debt repayment, or investing. Every dollar you maximize is a dollar closer to financial freedom. 7. Create an extra stream of income. Relying on one income source is risky. The pandemic taught us that. So, why not diversify? Think about your skills. Are you great at graphic design? Start freelancing. Have a knack for writing. Offer content creation services. Or, if time is tight, explore passive income options like selling digital products, renting out a spare room, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. An extra income stream doesn't just boost your earnings, it creates security. And who doesn't want that? 8. Make a plan for the future, because goals without plans are just dreams. Finally, don't just set financial goals. Create a roadmap. Want to buy a house? Save for a big trip? Retire early? Write it down. Break it into smaller, actionable steps. When you know what you're working toward, it's easier to stay motivated. Review your goals regularly and adjust as needed. Life changes, and so should your plans. This year is your chance to rewrite your financial story. Start small if you have to. The key is consistency and focus. Your future self at the end of the year is cheering for you. Let's make this new year a year of your financial glow-up.